Hi there, students. When a horse walks down the street, it goes clip, clop, clip, clop, clip, clop. But why not clop, clip? Because if you say clop, clip to me, as a native speaker, it just sounds wrong. It's just wrong. It's got to be clip, clop. Or a clock goes tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Or on your foot you wear a flip flop, or the music is called hip hop but not hop hip, yeah, and it's not a flop flip either. But why? Well, this is related to Ablaut reduplication. So let's see. Ablaut talks about the changing of a vowel sound in a language, particularly to change the function, as in sing, sang, song. Ablaut is talking about I, A, O, the changing of the vowels. And reduplication, this you know well. Willy-nilly, helter-skelter. Okay, reduplication is two words that sound the same. Okay, so when the ends of the words are the same, this is full reduplication. Let's get down to the nitty gritty. He's a fuddy-duddy. Okay, and this is reduplication. But when you have partial reduplication, like tick-tock, so you're actually changing the vowel sound, then we actually have an order to these to the sounds. Okay, the order is I, A, O. So, for example, noughts and crosses. The game the Americans call this game Tic-Tac-Toe. I, A, O. And that's your order. Okay? So, tick-tock, I, O. So when you have reduplications, I, A, O. Tic-tac-toe. Or if you think about I was thinking about the song Frère Jacques in French. Frère Jacques, Frère Jacques. Anyway, it gets to the end and the bells go ding dang dong, ding dang dong. Again, here we have this Ablaut reduplication. Okay, so when you're making these reduplications, I call them rhyming pairs, then you need to follow this rule. It's really strange. Yeah, he talked to me in a sing-song voice. Yeah, okay, a sing-song voice. That's following this rule again. Okay, don't shilly-shally, get on with it. It's in tip-top condition. Yeah, there was a lot of chit-chat while I was talking. Do you like playing ping pong? Yeah. Did you see the film King Kong? Yeah. Okay. It was a mishmash of different things. Okay, so all of these are Ablaut reduplication. Notice as well, when you're using alliteration, repetition of identical consonants, when you're using alliteration to start a word or a set of one of these, we also use this rule. So, for example, it's the big bad wolf. Now, if you look at the technical definitions of the order of adjectives, bad should go before big, so it should be the bad big wolf, but it's not. It's the big bad wolf. Okay, yeah, because we have this complicated rule with adjectives. You've got to have opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose, and then the noun. That's supposed to be your order of adjectives. Yeah, but opinion comes first. But big bad wolf, that breaks this rule. Okay, so Ablaut reduplication. Yeah, the I comes before the a comes before the o. Yeah, so tic-tac-toe. Now, I'm told that this actually occurs in many different languages. Yeah, bish bash bosh, ding dang dong, as I said. Okay, so there are. This is a rule that you need to try to follow. Yeah, when you don't know the order of these things, then this Ablaut reduplication, tic-tac-toe, is what you will need to remember. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ablaut reduplication. Tic-tac.